Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to transfer money from Western Union to GCash. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right into the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is make sure you have both accounts set up, a GCash account that is fully verified and a Western Union money transfer control number from the sender. The next is to open the GCash app and log into your GCash app. From the home screen, tap on caching, then on the remittance select Western Union and enter the MTCN 10-digit code provided by the sender and input the exact amount being sent. Then lastly, check that all the details are correct or not, and then tap on claim and you will receive your money instantly in your GCash wallet. Some important notes are: the sender must send the money through Western Union to the Philippines. The recipient must be the same person registered in the GCash account, and GCash may set a monthly limit up to 100,000 for fully verified accounts. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.